Alright, so we got the 224 Valkyrie. Got the 1-6 up here. And this should be zeroed at 50 yards. We tested it at the 100 yards, it was good, and out to 200. And we got the True Glow right here. So on the 223 Wydle 18-inch, we had it back here, so I want to try it up here, but I kind of like this better. Using these mags. Some of this right here. We got the R9 on here. So we're going to zero this at a 10-yard zero using this shooting block right here. Great.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do a couple of shots right there and see. And just that gas, I put it as a glasses. I ain't bring the glasses, but that gas.
Well, so we run red dots and stuff like that. The size of how big the dot is. So it would be like one of those 100 yards that red dot thing.
So like if you shoot in the exact same position, you don't move at all,
Yeah.
it can vary just within a 1 inch radius
Not very
or diameter.
I believe it's not. So if you look at a site and you want to run on the like site, that red dot on the side is everything.
Come back a little
So
bit.
a lot of people that carry, they'll do like a 3 MOA, some people buy 6. But if you have a red dot on a pistol, all you have to do is turn it up 2 notches brighter than it's in. So why not get it smaller? But normally they're like the same.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go to the left just a little bit. I think that's pretty much good. But I'm gonna go to the left just a little bit. That dot is, I cut the brightness down on it. That dot is still bigger than that damn spot.
Wow.
So I thought I took 2 shots. Tripping, I was supposed to mark those.
You want to stick around?
Yeah, it was kind of lower, but it's that gas. So, I just want to see how tight it'll be in one spot. with it, with a little bit of moving. Check the and those exactly where those shots landed at. That's where I got it. That's definitely good for that. Now I'm gonna check this out. What I think the LPVO should be good.
Mm-hmm.
Still getting that gas. Check 2 more rounds and then I'm gonna let you go. Because I could have swore. I'm gonna go for the top. Yards right there.
Mm-hmm.
About 15 yards. So on this one is a little bit lower on there, but I really don't want to adjust that on here when I'm just shooting a random plate.
Yeah.
So I ain't gonna worry about that. But mainly came here for this. I can always readjust this at a longer distance, confirm it on the 50. Get some adjusting off camera, so that's what I got with the LPVO. I just adjusted a little bit because some of the shots was going to the left, so I just did a little adjustment to it. And I was on this shooting block, so we're gonna shoot some more, and then I confirm it. You know, see what the 50 and 100 is. Try the LPVO. I mean, not, you know, the red dot. For the yeah, try that one. See. Put like 5 more in there, or 6 more. And them 2 over there to the right was your with the True Glow, and the 4 in the center was with the 1 to 6. If I can tweak that with an adjustable gas drop. So you can do whichever one you want to do. So that should be good on that. We got this at the 10, and we just adjusted this for center and right. Center and right for the center. So another thing I noticed you have to take note is when you switching from 45 degree to that, you know, your shots can go to the right when you switch over like that. Other than that, we got a good 0 on this, so I'm satisfied with that.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get 'em.